Black Sheep Creative built this website for the Backyard Beast, an outdoor services company in Walker, Louisiana. The brand already had a mascot with real personality, so the site was built to match it rather than tone it down. Heavy display type, a near black canvas, and one aggressive green doing all of the work. The homepage leads with the promise: backyard jobs, beast mode results. Underneath it sits every service the crew runs: lawn care, pressure washing, soft washing, yard cleanups, garbage can cleaning, driveway and patio work. Then the reassurance, because a homeowner handing over their property wants to know the equipment is industrial and the crew is careful with it. The services page gives each job room to breathe, so somebody comparing quotes can see exactly what they are buying. The gallery does the selling. Before and after on real Louisiana properties, because in this trade the results are the argument. And the reviews page puts the proof up front with a quote form short enough to actually finish on a phone. One more thing worth saying, this was built on our more affordable tier. The budget was smaller. The research behind it was not.